Hello, this is Paul from Mybestsound. Here I'd like to share you our new design, the gaming speaker. This is the private design from our company. For this product, we designed the different lines for it. The green color, the yellow color, the red color, the blue color, and the purple color. Also the gradient color loading here. And for the button, this is not only the knobs for adjusting the volume, but it is also can push it to choose the different DSP technology modes, the game,
music,
okay. So, and for this button, also can click A.
EX input.
This is AUX. This is the Bluetooth. Okay, this is the front side. And now I'd like to show you the back side. You see, here we have designed different connection ports for it. This is the speaker out and the USB, and here the AUX in, AUX out, and the